Yo, hey man, say man, it's your favorite trader man. Yo, hey man, say man, how was your day man? It's your favorite trader G. You'll come back with another video, you feel me? Oh, let's go ahead and get off into this. I don't want to waste y'all time because y'all don't want y'all wasting mine. You hear me? Oh, my baby sleep, man. Don't ask me why I'm whispering. If you got children, you know what I'm talking about. My baby just yeah. So let's go ahead and get off in today's price action. Not a lot to really talk about. A very clean price action. I secured like 54 points. Now the trade is absurd 382 points, but let me show you what I was talking about or why I did that. So the low, the high, just targets for me to get for my sells or my buys, right? But this is a weekly internal right here. So pretty big internal, remember, fair value gap internal, pretty big daily. I can see these bouncing until Powell speaks. He speaks at 12, so that's why we wanted to go ahead and get our money and get out. So let's talk about it, right? We all know the exceeded edge model. Breaker structure after 9:30. Once that breaker structure or once that break happens, you ask yourself, how far is the nearest high time frame internal? Well, on the 5-minute time frame, I would have actually made some money on the 5-minute time frame. We broke structure at 9:35. Our entry would have given us about 85 points. That's pretty good. So as I said, breaker structure after 9:30. You ask yourself, how far is the nearest high time frame internal? 1 hour plus our high time frame internals for this model, yeah? So for the 5-minute time frame after the breaker structure after 9:30, it was 84 points away. Now you have to ask yourself, is that enough for me to catch my trade? Does that make sense for my risk to reward ratio? And if so, you take that. Now, if it's 30 points, 20 points, you just wait for that price to get to that internal, then catch the breaker structure out of it back to the direction it just came from, right? Now, for me, I've been using the 2-minute time frame because it gives me like way better entries, right? So as you can see, we have the external high right here. We have the external low. At 9:32 or 9:30, we start making our way down very slow, which I was not upset about at all. I actually would rather have price move that slow than like freaking all the volume at 9:30 has us right here. And even though we seen that that's still like 80 something points, I'm just not too fond of that, you know what I'm saying? Because that retracement can be that retrace can be crazy. So I would much rather have price move slow like this and then give me that breaker structure right up under that old external low. So we took this breaker structure, as we talked about in the previous video. We broke the external low. We were trending up, not really, but up. Well, yeah, we were trending up. We broke the structure to the downside, okay? Now, from right here, asking yourself, how far is the nearest high time frame internal? There's no other internal right here in this area from here to here, nothing. But there is a weekly down here. So that's 119 points, man. That's 119 points. So out of the 119 points, I got 54. Okay, I was trading at 2 contracts today, so I definitely made my money. It was very quick and easy. And I get to spend the rest of my time doing whatever I want to. You understand what I'm saying? So if you guys want to learn how to trade like this, visit neverquitexceed.com, neverquitexceed.com, man. Become a profit titan, join the group, and change your life, man. It's not easy, but it's well worth it. I've been reading charts going on 8 years. I've been trading going on 7, 6, 7. Oh, Jesus, Lord. And I've been consistently like every day for about 4 years now. You know what I'm saying? So made my profits for the day. I get to go relax with my son. It's very easy, man. And like I said, even if we used the original time frame that we created the model from, it still gave us about 80 points after that breaker structure, right? You can see the edge model, breaker structure after 9:30. Ask yourself, Where is the nearest and high time frame internal? If it's far, catch price action to that internal. If it's not, wait for a breaker structure out of that. And like I said, on the 5-minute time frame, if I would have used this time frame, it still gave me about 82 points. But I used the 2-minute time frame, and it gave 119 on the 2-minute time frame. So beautiful day, very easy. Amidst all this governmental crap, government shutdown, we're still able to make profits, and that's the point of being able to read charts. You're recession proof, regardless of if the market only moves 10 points a day because the flow of money has slowed dramatically. You can catch about 5. You can catch about 2 points. So this is a skill that I would say it's worth taking a looking into, right? Because regardless of what anybody goes through in the economy, you can take advantage. That 1,100 point drop on NAS Friday, unfortunately, a lot of people killed themselves because of that. The market crashing, a lot of people killed themselves because of that. So God bless their families. But for us in this industry, we could make money on that crash. It's not just us waiting for things to go up. We can make money on sales or buys, and that's the advantage of trading futures, right? It's a beautiful thing, man. And like I said, 8 years reading charts, 7 years dedicated to NAS, and about 4 years every day of my life just straight MNQ. So it's starting to pay off, man. It's a beautiful experience. And like I said, if you guys want to learn how to trade like this, neverquitexceed.com. Join the link. Become a profit titan. It's well worth it. So, hey, man, have a great day, man. It's your boy GDO coming out with another video.